Mixing.
You do the thing. Yeah. Gonna wrap with
Rolling.
This.
And wrapping. Our amateur chef Hanley is becoming a seasoned pro. Today, he's teaming up with baby Isaac to make a classic Chinese New Year dish.
Yeah.
But the question is, can he handle a new dish and a new partner at the same time?
Uh-oh, miscommunication. Today we are making wrapped dumplings. 恭喜恭喜！
恭喜恭喜！
新年快乐！
新年快乐！
身体健康！
身体健康！
I'm Hanley. This is my robot homie Isaac. Yep. Malfunction is happening. 给我一个 high five， 我们开始吧。High five, yeah. Let's open this, eh? Just lift and push it up, yeah. Nice. What's in this thing? And the winner goes to. Oh. Yeah. Dear Hanley, we heard that you did really well in the Help Me series, so we thought it was time we gave you a sous chef, our toddler expert chef, Isaac. These are the ingredients for Chinese New Year favorite. It's supposed to bring you good luck and wealth, so what you have are the main ingredients. 这个是
豆
flour. Yeah. 这个是 shrimp. You right. Young prodigy. 这个是
pork.
Pork. 这个是
ginger.
Yeah.
这个是 scallion.
Wow.
Cabbage, mushroom.
Wow. You know more than I do. We already have the ingredients ready for the dumpling. First, we need to add this flour in, right?
Yeah.
Just pour the entire bag in, yeah. Don't be shy, yeah. Maybe half a spoon of salt or something, yeah?
We make this one here.
Oh, you want to pour it on that thing? I got you. Okay. You got this? All right, throw it in, yeah. Yeah, bless them with that. Oh, yeah. Man, keep that flour hydrated, you know what I'm saying? All right, now we mix them. Show the world how you do it, yeah. Put in that work, yeah. Once you finish this dough, you're no longer a chef. You're a dough boy.
I'm a dough boy.
Yeah, you're a dough boy. Isaac, start using your hand. Yeah, squeeze them. Squeeze them with the little hands. Yeah, boy. Say yeah. Yeah. What up, guys? So the dough is resting right now, and what we have here are the mushroom, the cabbages. We're gonna chop the veggies up with the chopper or the veggie cutter.
We need this knife.
We definitely need that knife. You know what I'm saying? Without that knife, man, we don't know what we do.
Chop.
Yeah.
I want this one.
All right, and then throw the mushroom in it. Yeah, do it. Oh, you missed one. Got him. Yeah.
Then now we need to close it.
We do have to close it. Got him. All right. Now show them what you got. Pour. Oh.
Got them.
Yeah. We got them. We got it. Yeah, it's so cut up, man. It's so cut up. They don't even remember where they're
Now
from.
this finish.
Yeah, they're finished, man. This is what Isaac did to them, man. You a murderer. Got them. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so proud. Ready? Scoop that, yeah. All right, now we do this thing. 1, 2, scoop, push it down, yeah.
Put on my spoon.
Okay, I put half of this one in here and half in here, all right? And then you just, I pour it up. Yeah. Okay. Add it in.
Inside?
Yeah. Got 'em. And then we mix again. Yeah. We're gonna add this garnish on top. Cherry on top, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I said bless them. Say bless y'all. So now we're about to add the hot oil.
Now I put it.
No, hot oil, it's not done by you. It's for low-level kids like me. You know what I'm saying? You're too precious to be doing this oil thing, man. All right, ready? 1, 2. No, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. Yeah. Got him. All right. I think the filling is looking more like, you know, it's smelling like the filling. Yeah, all right. Now we are about to make the dough. So first we gotta spray some of these. Ha. Yeah, yeah.
I'll use this one.
Okay, or that too. Okay, I don't think we need that much though. This is the dough after it has been rested for a while. Ta-da.
I use my mitten.
Okay, now we like make it into a nice little circle first. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it a bit, roll it a bit, yeah. What do we do? What do we do? Make a hole in here?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't break the circle though. When we can put this on your forehead like an angel ring, then we know it's good.
Yeah, I want to come. Yeah.
No! I was staring at this one, not you, not you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, miscommunication. Do you want candy? Yeah? Nice.
Candy is sweet.
You want candy? Then make this look nice. And I got you candy. I won't lie. Sneak peek. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Yeah, boy. Work. What? That's work lah. Oh, it's in the quad. Alright. One chop. You got it? Chop. Yeah, and then twist, chop. Twist, chop. What up, guys? So now that like we got the dough here, we're about to make the dumpling skin. What I learned is that the trick is that the side of the skin should be thinner than the center. I'm still grasping the technique, but apparently you just push the side and then eventually it become a round shape, it will work. So I guess Isaac will show y'all. Yeah. Show them how it's done, boy. That's cool. That's cool, yeah. See? So now you see. This side is thinner than the middle part and you just gotta do it with the entire edge around it. All right, we'll pick it up from here, boy. Whoa. Nah, my hand's not long enough, my bad.
Isaac, show us.
Man, the thin edges, man, look at that, look at that, look at that. And then you see the center part looking like a little thick, you know? I like them thick, but yeah, the edge has gotta be a little, you know what I'm saying, skinny for me to wrap them. Whoa, you a sarcastic dude, eh? Isaac, huh? You a bad boy. You gotta grow up and break hearts. We're at that part of the day where we're finally gonna wrap the fillings into this dumpling and make them into a dumpling. I've never really done this before, so let's try. I'm gonna put this filling in there. Could be a little too much, but I am greedy with it. So whoa, and then this side goes like that.
My dough didn't fall down.
Yeah. Isaac, give me some fillings. How much fillings do you want in this dumpling? Yeah, just put it on top of that. Yeah. We can have some more. I think we can have some more. We can be greedy with this one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Me and Isaac is having a dumpling wrap contest. This is too much filling. Man, but it's okay. It looks like it will work. So after a bunch of hard work, you know what I'm saying, we're ready to wrap up some of the dumplings and ready to boil them. Exactly. The dumplings are done. If you're wondering why they're more than what we've shown before, because hard work pays off. Let's peep some of the good examples, you know what I'm saying? The good example would be this one. This one, shout out to Daisy. Daisy came, stopped by, grabbed a couple dumplings, and left us. right, Isaac, can you recognize which one did you do in here? Which one did you make in here? The ugly ones. Oh, you made the pretty one. Show them. Oh, you make a pretty one. You want to hold on it? Yeah. Yeah, boy. Isaac, look at the camera and be like, yeah.
Yeah.
And then got them.
Got them.
Yeah, now you eat it. Eat them. Watch. 小心熱啊. How do you like it?
Because it is so yummy.
It's so yummy, eh? Oh, it's so yummy that you lose balance. Maybe finna try one of them. Dip some spicy sauce, you know what I'm saying? Wow. High five. I think we did a good job. This is actually good. So I don't even have much to say to wrap this up because I'm hungry, I'm trying to eat them. Hey, check out the next episode, you know what I'm saying? Next episode, probably making some dessert. This episode about dumplings is over. We killed it. Isaac, look at the camera and be like, yeah, got him.
Yeah, got them.
Yeah.